Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a Saily gift card or coupon code when you're buying your SIM plan. Maybe you got a Saily voucher from someone, or you found a discount code online. Either way, redeeming it is super easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Before we start, just a quick reminder. There's an affiliate link and a 15% off coupon code in the description below. You can use that on any Saily SIM plan to save a little extra, so don't forget to check it out. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Saily app or head to the Saily website. Next, choose your travel destination, wherever you'll be using your SIM. Maybe it's the Philippines, Japan, or anywhere else you're heading. Then, pick the data plan that fits your trip and go to checkout. Now, here's where the fun part happens. On the checkout page, you'll see an option that says, "Got a coupon?" Tap on that, enter your gift card or voucher code, and hit Apply. If your code is valid, you'll see the discount instantly applied to your total. From there, just finish your purchase like normal, and you're all set. That's it. Your gift card or coupon is now redeemed, and your Saily SIM plan will be ready to activate once you install it on your phone. Pretty simple, right? And if you don't already have a code, no worries. You can grab the 15% off coupon and use the affiliate link in the description to get a deal on any plan today. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick SIM guides, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Saily before. See you in the next one.